You know that feeling when you've been working non-stop but nothing seems to change? Then one small action suddenly makes everything shift. That's when we say something moved the needle. It means it made a real, measurable difference. It's common in business or personal growth, and it's neutral and professional in tone. The new ad campaign finally moved the needle on brand awareness. Posting more consistently on social media moved the needle for my channel. Just working longer hours doesn't always move the needle. Sometimes strategy does. The phrase comes from mechanical gauges like speedometers or volume meters, where the needle moves only when there's real activity or progress. So metaphorically, it means something that causes visible change. It's been used since the 20th century, especially in sales and performance measurement. You can use it for numbers, emotions, or influence. That apology didn't move the needle emotionally. Her TED Talk moved the needle for mental health awareness. It's not about effort, it's about impact. So what's one thing that's moved the needle for you recently? Maybe a new habit, mindset, or goal. Drop it below.